FIU is the first university in Florida to house a state-of-the-art large-scale metal and composite structure 3D printing cold spray facility. At FIU's ColRAD laboratory, more than 25 researchers are developing groundbreaking technology for 3D printing using powder, wire, and rods. These techniques aid defense forces in the repair, design, and durability of high-performance materials. These materials are used to manufacture next-generation vehicles and munitions. They also help defense forces quickly manufacture parts in the field and repair them while in combat zones. The highly innovative printing approach also addresses challenges in the fields of robotics, machine learning, and environmental resilience. The lab produces technologies that also promise to expand America's STEM workforce, supported by a $22.9 million grant from the U.S. Army Research Lab.